friends, welcome to Motivational and Educational channel. Today we are learning next topic, Refraction of Light, Chapter 6, Class 10, Science and Technology Part 1. Surely ask question in board exams. Important and host questions are given with weightage of marks. Can you recall? Textbook page number 73. 1. What is meant by reflection of light? Answer. When light is incident on the surface of an object, it is reflected in different directions. This process is called reflection of light. 2. What are the laws of reflection? Answer. The incident ray and the reflected ray of light are on the opposite sides of the normal. They are in the same plane. The angle of incidence and the angle of reflection are equal in measure. Use your brain power. Textbook page number 74. 1. Will light travel through a glass slab with the same velocity as it travels in air? Answer. No. 2. Will the velocity of light be same in all media? Answer. No. Can you tell? Textbook page number 75. If the refractive index of the second medium with respect to the first medium is, and that of the third medium with respect to the second medium is, what and how much refractive index of third medium with respect to the first medium? Answer. Is the refractive index of third medium with respect to the first medium. Refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium is equal to V1 upon V2. Refractive index of third medium with respect to second medium is equal to V2 upon V3. Refractive index of third medium with respect to first medium is equal to V1 upon V3 is equal to V1 upon V2 into V2 upon V3. If medium 1 is equivalent to air, medium 2 is equivalent to ice, medium 3 is equivalent to diamond, then refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium is equal to 1.31. Refractive index of third medium with respect to second medium is equal to 1.847. Therefore, refractive index of third medium with respect to first medium is equal to refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium into refractive index of third medium with respect to second medium is equal to 1.31 into 1.847 is equal to 2.42. 2.42 is the refractive index of diamond with respect to air. Can you tell? Textbook page number 76. 1. Have you seen a mirage which is an illusion of the appearance of water on a hot road or in a desert? Answer. Yes. Due to changes in the refraction of light, the light rays coming from a distant object appear to be coming from the image of the object inside the ground is called mirage. Mirage produces an impression of water near the hot ground. 2. Have you seen that objects beyond and above a holy fire appear to be shaking? Why does this happen? Answer. The temperature of air beyond and above holy fire changes all the time. Hence, the density of air also changes constantly. and the direction of propagation of the rays of light approaching us also changes constantly. Therefore, those objects appear to be shaking. Use your brain power. Textbook, page number 77. 1. From incident white light, how will you obtain white emergent light? By making use of two prisms. Answer. Take a prism, allow white light to fall on it. Obtain a spectrum. Take second identical prism, place it parallel the first prism. Allow the colors of the spectrum to pass through the second prism. Obtain the beam of light emerging from the other side of the second prism. Light emerging from the other side of the second prism is a beam of white light. Explanation. White light is made of 7 colors. The first prism produces dispersion of white light. The second prism combines light of different colors to produce white light again. The net deviation is 0. 2. You must have seen chandeliers having glass prisms. The light from a tungsten bulb gets dispersed while passing through these prisms, and we see color spectrum. If we use an LED light instead of a tungsten bulb, will we be able to see the same effect? Answer. Light emitted by LED does not have all wavelengths in the region 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer. Hence, its spectrum is not the same as that of light from a tungsten bulb or as that of sunlight. Exercise. Question 1. Fill in the blanks and explain the completed sentences. A. Refractive index depends on the velocity of light. Explanation. It is an experimental fact. B. The change in the direction of propagation of light rays while going from one medium to another is called refraction. Explanation. This is definition of refraction. It is assumed that the ray of light passes obliquely from one medium to another. Question 2. Prove the following statements. A. If the angle of incidence and angle of emergence of a light ray falling on a glass slab are I and E respectively, prove that I is equal to E. Answer. In the following figure, SR is parallel to PQ and NM is the refracted ray. Hence, R is equal to I1. Now, refractive index of glass with respect to air is equal to sin I upon sin R. And refractive index of air with respect to glass is equal to sin I1 upon sin E. Also, refractive index of glass with respect to air is equal to 1 upon refractive index of air with respect to glass. Sin I upon sin R is equal to sin E upon sin I1. As R is equal to I1, it follows that sin I is equal to sin E. Therefore, I is equal to E. B. Rainbow is the combined effect of refraction, dispersion and total internal reflection of light. Answer. Rainbow can be seen in the sky after rainfall. Small droplets in the atmosphere acts as a prism. Sunlight enters the water droplets, gets refracted and dispersed. There occurs internal reflection, and again the light gets refracted while coming out of the droplet. All these three natural processes refraction, dispersion, internal reflection together produce 7-color rainbow. Question 3. Mark the correct answer in the following questions. A. What is the reason for the twinkling of stars? Answer. Changing refractive index of the atmospheric gases. B. We can see the sun even when it is little below the horizon because of. Answer. Refraction of light. C. If the refractive index of glass with respect to air is 3/2, what is the refractive index of air with respect to glass? Answer. 2/3. Question 4. Solve the following examples. A. If the speed of light in medium is 1.5 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second, what is the absolute refractive index of the medium? Given speed of light in medium V2 is equal to 1.5 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Velocity of light in vacuum V1 is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Absolute refractive index N is equal to what? Formula. Refractive index N is equal to V1 upon V2. By putting the values in the formula, 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second upon 1.5 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Here, 10 raised to 8 meter per second will get cancelled. By solving, it will be 30 upon 15. It is equal to 2. Therefore, the absolute refractive index of the medium is equal to 2. B. If the absolute refractive indices of glass and water are 3/2 and 4/3 respectively, what is the refractive index of glass with respect to water? Answer. Given absolute refractive index of glass is equal to 3/2. Absolute refractive index of water is equal to 4/3. So, refractive index of glass with respect to water is equal to what? Refractive index of glass with respect to water is equal to refractive index of glass upon refractive index of water. By putting values, it comes 3/2 upon 4/3. By rearranging, we can write it as 3/2 into 3/4. So it comes 9/8. Therefore, the refractive index of glass with respect to water is equal to 9/8.